So there's this idea of letting um, AI tools basically print money while you sleep,
Yeah, exactly.
right? It's all about creating that passive income flow.
And it sounds like we're talking about three core tools here that really do most of the heavy lifting.
Right. So first up is ChatGPT, which can be used to pump out blogs, like non-stop content that keeps your online presence fresh without you having to be there every minute.
Yep. So it's basically writing for you while you catch some zizz. That's wild.
Exactly. And then there's 11 Labs. Their voiceover tech transforms text into awesome audio.
Yeah, for sure.
So your blogs can morph into podcasts or um, audio stories, expanding the reach of your content.
That's like having a multi-tool for content delivery. I mean, who wouldn't love to have their own digital narrator, right?
Totally, it's like you're covering all bases, written and spoken word. And then the third tool, AutoDS, steps in for your e-commerce needs.
AutoDS, huh? So it's basically in charge of running your online store, handling orders, inventory, and all that jazz.
Exactly. It automates the store management so you can literally earn while you're asleep. It processes listings and orders almost as if it's printing money for you.
But isn't there a risk of it getting a little out of hand? I mean, would you need to monitor it more than a bit?
Good question. And yeah, it's not entirely hands off. It does need that initial setup and
True.
periodic checks. Still, the bulk of the work is automated, so it's a solid boost, you know?
So essentially, we're looking at a three-pronged approach for passive income. Content creation with ChatGPT, expanded reach with 11 Labs, and automated e-commerce with AutoDS.
Exactly. It's like building a digital empire that works
Yeah.
for you in the background. The tags and buzz around this, like Dorak AI Hustle and Dorak AI 2025, really underline the trend of using tech to create wealth.
It's fascinating. Leveraging these powerful AI tools really reshapes how we think about working 9 to 5, doesn't it?
Absolutely. It's like instead of clocking in hours, you're setting up smart systems that generate income continuously.
Right.
And it's a bit of a modern hustle. Smart work over hard work.
I can see how that would be appealing for anyone eager to break free from the traditional grind. It's almost like investing in a money-making machine.
Yeah, it's definitely a game changer. With ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and AutoDS, you're diversifying your streams of income all while you're catching some sleep, which is pretty genius.
For sure, it's a clever play. Hats off to the innovators behind these tools, but I do wonder if it might be a bit oversold sometimes. What do you think?
I get that skepticism. While the setup is powerful, it still requires attention and tweaking here and there, not just a magical set it and forget it process.
Right.
But overall, with the right execution, it's a smart strategy for passive income.
Absolutely. It's a fresh take on how technology can work in your favor long after you're done for the day. It's a clear sign of where AI is headed.
Exactly. So, in a nutshell, by combining these three AI tools, you're not just letting money sit idle, you're actively building a system that generates income even while you're dreaming.
That's a pretty exciting outlook. Harnessing AI to effectively print money in your sleep. Now that's a hustle worth exploring.